Alright, we back in the morning with another video once again. So I just wanted to just do a quick video before the actual cash open, and my kids are still asleep, so I gotta kind of talk a little quieter. But it looks like a true breakout is happening in the market. We're breaking out of that previous all-time high, and we just keep making all-time highs. My plan for today is as bearish as I want to be. I'm looking to buy this level here coming into the open, which would be like right here, this 4560 level. Hopefully they can drop it down to there. I'll probably be looking to see if are they going to hold this 4566, which is just yesterday's high. I'm more interested in basically the previous close as a support, but we could also drop down to this 4552, which I'm also liking a lot as well. So any of these supports are dip buys for me, at least for short-term bounces, and hopefully we see another move, bullish move in the sequence. If you guys have been following me, we want to see a bullish pattern development here off one of these support levels. If we get the move one, which I was talking about in yesterday's video, we'll probably stay gap up and just keep ripping, and like something like what Tesla did, where it just gaps up and just goes. So if that occurs, then what I'll be doing is looking to play a breakout, something like right here. Really, it's the 80, I think, that would be the breakout, and that basically brings, in my opinion, that basically would bring 4630. If this holds and breaks out over the next couple of days, we'd probably see 4630, and that would be also fine with me. I'm cool with that. So buying supports here is kind of what I really want to see. I really do want to see a dive, but I don't, just so much support here. If the market's playing along to the upside, then I don't want to be looking short here on ES. I very much want to be looking up, because the risk is to the upside here. If Apple plays along, Apple's still kind of stuck in the muck here, but I would see a breakout here of 150, which obviously is a huge psychological. Amazon, huge gap up. Google, huge gap up. AMD breaking out to all-time highs and holding. You also have things like XPEV trying to break out. Let's see what else here. Snap looking like trash. PayPal's interesting. It's still in the muck, but I'm interested in that as far as long term. What else? What else was I looking at? You got some small caps running, something like this Banksy here, Black Sky Tech. I think it's a space play, which I'm not sure is in vogue right now, but I do have a small little position here because it's at this yearly pivot. So looking for more upside here. Hopefully, comms. I like this one, but it definitely was just a pump and dump at this point. So, but good place to add for that one. Some biotech that broke out, hit the yearly pivot, and sold off pretty hard. But it is retesting a quarterly level here, so this is an interesting for an ad. And then BKKT, which is just the Bakkt Holdings, which is just like an exchange. They got some kind of partnership with, I think, Visa. One of the big credit card companies, I think, is Visa, and then they also got partnership with Fiserv as well. So huge, massive, insane breakout yesterday. So I would anticipate more continuation here, something along the lines of this move, which is crazy, but you could probably see something like 106 or something like that on Bakkt. So definitely looking for this. It didn't drop too hard and then got bought up again. So looking for a breakout here. Just call it pre-market breakout and continuation right at 60. So and then coin looking to break out. This right here is a huge level. This 337, 315 was taken. If you saw a video a couple days ago, I was saying how we were looking at this being the bottom, and I was sitting there looking at this as it was dropping, going, I should buy calls here. I don't know why I'm not buying calls. I was in puts like an idiot, and obviously calls would have been in play. So listen to yourself, trust yourself. Hopefully this video helps you guys at least get started. Again, looking for a dip in the early morning. If there's no dip, in my opinion, at least until noon, you're safe to be long, because around noonish is when they start trying to think about giving you those rug pulls and stuff like that. So, but if we continue on, then I think it's just gonna be a ripper most of the day, especially if Tesla's, Amazon's, Apple's, Facebook's, Google's are playing along. They're still kind of stuck in the muck. So, anyways, hopefully this video helps you guys get started, and we'll see you later. Bye.